In today's tutorial, we'll unravel the secrets of the morph transition paired with the captivating carousel effect. Watch as your pictures come to life, elegantly showcased in a linear fashion, guided by convenient points at the bottom to track how many pictures left. Let's start from a blank slide, clean it up, then paste your images. For this tutorial, I am using 5. Select all the pictures, and change their height to 9 centimeters. Spread the images like this. Crop them one by one to an aspect ratio of 16:9. Let's change their height to 8. Next, select all the images and head to crop. Select crop to a shape and choose the rounded rectangle. Right-click the images and add a center outer black shadow. Set the transparency to 30 and the blur to 20. We need to align the images. To do so, we need to move the image in the right a little bit, then select all of them, click Align, then distribute vertically, then align to middle. Change the background fill to black. Let's work the first slide. Click the first image and change its height to 12 centimeters. Align to center. Position the other images to the right like this. To align the images perfectly, select them, then distribute them horizontally and align to middle. Now we will insert 5 little dots down the main picture to help the audience track how many images are left. To do so, let's right-click the slide, select Grid and Guides, then click Grid Lines. Insert a circle and position it like this. Duplicate the circle 4 times, then position 2 at the right and 2 at the left. With the help of the grid lines you can do this easily. Select the circles and align to middle. Fill them with white and remove the outline. Next, right-click, select Format Shape, then in Shape Fill, increase the transparency to 40. If we leave the dots like this, they won't morph properly. To fix this problem, we will head to the Selection pane at the right in the Home tab. Let's click the first circle. Click again to be able to rename, then type 2 exclamation marks followed by whatever name you want. Let me just type 1. Rename the other circles following the exact same steps. Right-click the first circle, select Format Shape, in Shape Fill, decrease the transparency to 0. We are done with the first slide, so let's do the second one. Duplicate the slide, then increase the height of the second image to 12 centimeters, then position it in the center of the slide. Next, decrease the height of the first image to 8 centimeters. Position it to the right. You can use the grid lines for perfection, but it's not that crucial, so not necessary, but I will show you how to do it anyway. Try to place the border of the image on the first line next to the image in the center. Drag the 3 images in the left next to the one in the center. Now we will do the circles at the bottom, but we don't have to go through the entire process of increasing and decreasing the transparency. We will use the Format Painter for quicker results. Select the first circle, click Format Painter in the Home menu at the right, then click the second circle. This way the second circle will have the exact same formatting as the first one. Now we need the first one to look like turned off. Select a transparent circle, Format Painter, then click the first circle. Now the slide looks just perfect. Now we will duplicate the slide to show the third image. Decrease the height of the second image, then move it just like we previously did. I will show you a trick that will help you to position all the images without any grid lines involved. Cut the 2 images in the left and paste them in the previous slide, then position them above the image in the left. Now when you cut them from this second slide, then paste in the third one, they will be pasted in the exact spot that you cut them from. Perfect. Now change the height of the third image, then to the center, and you can use the cut and paste trick. Now move the images in the right following the same steps. Next, do the circles using Format Painter. I will speed up the video for the 2 last slides because I followed the same steps. Finally, select all your slides and add a morph transition, then enjoy your creation in full screen. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found value in mastering the morph transition and the mesmerizing carousel effect, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials. Don't miss out on our future content. Click that notification bell to stay updated on the latest PowerPoint techniques and creative presentations. Now, armed with these skills, go forth and elevate your slides to new heights.